We outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friends. This is the channel that we recommend, and I want you to recommend it too, you know, like that. So anyway, family, I'm going to speak about something now, and basically what I'm going to speak about is these bikes are not toys. They're not toys. When you're on two wheels and you're riding a sports bike, super bike, or even if it's just a 125, they're not toys. So let's just get into it real quick. But before that, again, as I said before, let's get these numbers up. Press that subscribe button, like up the video, and share it if you can. It don't cost a thing. It don't cost a thing. So let's get into it. Yeah, not waiting in that, man. Oh, crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right, so why am I saying that they're not toys? I'm saying this in the context of you see, when you have your bike and, you know what I mean, you go to your friends or families and they see you and that, you have some people that are quite you know, they're quite daring and they like bikes and stuff, and they will say things like, oh yeah man, give me a go at that, give me a go, give me a go. But it's not a toy, Bridget. It's not a toy. Now there's certain people that are certified in it, so you say, yeah man, you'd actually get on the bike. Like my cousins, the people around me, I'll be like, yeah man, go on, take this, take it around the block or something. Do you know, you get what I'm saying? But having said that, yeah, what you gotta look at is it's not a toy. So if they was to drop it, straight away your fairings have gone. Do you know what I mean? Fairings are gone. It's gonna cause damage. You might even break off the pegs, like your gear pegs, your gear lever and stuff like that. You get me? So it's just gonna cause you damage. Secondly, you give them a go of it, and it might be somebody who likes to do wheelies and ride like a madman, and he might take your bike and ride off, and it's the last time you see that person and the bike again, because that person there just gone doped himself on the bike or seriously injured himself. Do you know what I'm saying? So just be mindful with, you know, giving people your bike to ride. You know what I'm saying? And it's not a thing where you're being stuck up like, oh, it's just, mate, their safety, your safety, and your sanity as well. You know what I mean? Imagine that. You go for a ride out or something, and you give somebody a go on your bike, and the bike mash up. Someone dropped it, mashed up all the things, and more time, them can't even afford to replace it. Do you know what I'm saying? They can't replace it. They're just going to say, oh, I'm sorry, you all something, blah, blah, blah. And that's you left with a beat up, mash up bike. You get me? And they're just going to carry on to whatever they're doing, and that's it, innit? You know what I'm saying? And also, when it comes to like ride outs, just be careful who you're riding out with. Because now there's nothing wrong with, you know, giving it a little bit of a spirited ride, a little bit of acceleration, should I say, hint, hint, wink, wink. But make sure you're going out with riders that are responsible. Do you know what I'm saying? Maybe they've got wives and, you know, children at home, and, you know, they got shit to lose. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be going out on rides here with guys that ain't got nothing to lose, and they're just out here moving mad. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to think about it, yeah. When you got people that are like license holders, they've been trained differently in it. You know what I mean? So the guys that I ride out with was like, I'm riding behind them and I sort of go in instructor mode, and I'm looking and I'm seeing that their observations are on point. They know what they're doing. They might give it a bit of a spirited ride, but they're planning ahead. You know what I'm saying? It's not that, innit? When you're riding with people that just know how to ride a bike but not been trained properly, you find that them just them just a ride and them only a look down them nose. And I hate that. You know what I'm saying? So what can happen with that is you're riding and he's not looking and he's literally just pulling straight in front of you. Do you know what I'm saying? So just be careful who you're going out riding with, man. Do you know what I mean? Because as I said, these things are not toys. They're not toys, man. You can get yourself or someone else seriously injured, man, if you don't know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So just know what you're doing, man. Know what you're doing. But anyway, that's the end of that little segment there, sir. Don't forget, let's get these numbers up. Run them up. Run them up. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.